Today I am going to take a lecture of probability and statistics, chapter number 3, basic statistics, and our topic is coefficient of correlation and regression. Okay, so the coefficient of the correlation and the regression. So first we write the formula of the coefficient of correlation and regression. So coefficient of correlation is defined by small r. Okay, and here the name is the Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. Okay, so here the coefficient of correlation is small r. So formula is r is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by under root summation x minus x bar whole square under root summation y minus y bar whole square. Okay, so this is the formula of the small r. Okay, next one is the for small r is equal to small r is equal to, we can write here, covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x into sigma y. Here the sigma x and sigma y is the standard deviation of x and the standard deviation of y. That means sigma x is equal to standard deviation of x and sigma y is equal to the standard deviation of y. Okay, so here covariance of x comma y, this is your first equation. Got it? So here the covariance of x comma y, the formula is 1 upon n summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay, this is the formula of the covariance of x comma y, and the sigma x is equal to under root summation x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Okay, and the sigma y, that means standard deviation with respect to y is equal to under root summation y minus y bar whole square divided by n. Okay, so here this is your standard formula. We use this formula for finding the coefficient of the correlation. Okay, but second one is the r is equal to covariance x comma y divided by the sigma x into sigma y. So sigma x is the standard deviation of x and sigma y is the standard deviation of y. Okay, so here sigma x is equal to under root summation x minus x bar whole square upon n, and sigma y is equal to under root summation y minus y bar whole square upon n. Okay, we put all these values in the given formula. So here r is equal to covariance of x comma y is equal to 1 upon n summation x minus x bar y minus y bar. So we put here x minus x bar y minus y bar. Got it? Here n. Okay, next one is the value of the sigma x. So we write here summation x minus x bar whole square and summation y minus y bar whole square. Got it? So here according to this root n, and here is also root n. Okay, so root n into root n, that means what? N. Okay, so and this n is given to write here the numerator. Okay, so n to n cancel, or you can say that you consider here root n into root n is equal to n. So n divided by n, so this is a cancel. So we get the formula of the summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by under root summation x minus x bar whole square under root summation y minus y bar whole square. This is the topic is the coefficient of the correlation. That means we correlate the two variables. Okay, two variables, that means height to weight. Okay, so height to weight, that means sometimes height increases according to weight is increases. Okay, so here in this type of the question we are given in the two variables and both two variables are correlated. Okay, so here this is the formula of the correlation of the coefficient. Next topic is the regression. So regression coefficient, in this topic we have the two types of the regression coefficient. First one is the regression coefficient x on y, okay, and second is the regression coefficient y on x, okay, x on y and y on x. Got it? So here regression coefficient x on y, so we write here bxy. Okay, next one is the regression coefficient y on x, so we write here byx. Got it? So formula is what? So if you find the b and you write here x bxy, suffix in the suffix you write here xy. So we read here x on y. Here y x. So we read here y on x. So formula is what? The numerator is same according to your correlation coefficient. So summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar in the numerator. Okay, so here summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Okay, so in the denominator, what is the last variable? Last variable first is x and last variable is y. Okay, here first variable is y and the second variable is x. So in the denominator is depend on your this variable, right side variable. So here we write summation y minus y bar whole square. Got it? And here we write the last variable, right side variable is x. So we write here summation x minus x bar whole square. Okay, so this is the formula of the regression coefficient. Okay, so first always keep in mind you remember this formula coefficient of the correlation. But one term is very important. The term is what? In the correlation coefficient, you write here the under root sign. Okay, according to summation x minus x bar whole square under root summation y minus y bar whole square. But in regression coefficient, we write here only the summation y minus y bar whole square, only the summation x minus x bar whole square. Okay, so trick is what? Trick is that the numerator is same according to your coefficient of correlation. Got it? But in the denominator, you write here your right side variable, you write here the denominator form, and here right side variable, you write here in the denominator form. Okay, so these two formulas are depends on the regression coefficient, and in our topic we have the two types of the regression coefficient y on x and the regression coefficient x on y. Okay, next two formula is the regression line. Okay, regression line. Okay, so regression line, first one is the regression line y on x. Okay, and second one is the regression line x on y. Got it? So here, first we say here the y on x. So our formula is starting from the y. Here we say here the x on y. So our formula is starting from the x variable. So formula is y minus y bar. Okay, because of we write the x on y. Here, if regression line y on x, so we write here the regression coefficient y on x. Got it? And here the remaining variable is what? X. So we write here x minus x bar. Okay. So according to this formula, we write here the x on y. Okay. So see here x on y, that means first we set the x variable. So we write here x minus x bar. Okay, so here the regression line is x on y. So we write here the formula is bxy. That means regression coefficient x on y. Got it? And here the remaining variable is what? Remaining variable is y. So y minus y. Okay, so these two formulas are depends on the regression line x on y and y on x. So in this topic, we have the 5 types of the formula. First one is the correlation coefficient, that means R. Next one is the regression coefficient. So 2 types of the regression coefficient, x on y and y on x. Okay, and 2 types of the regression line, y on x and x on y. Okay, next one is the properties of the regression coefficient. Okay, so properties of the regression coefficient. So the first property is very important. The regression coefficient always lies between -1 to +1. Okay, so here if your two regression coefficients have always the same sign. If your dxy, the value of dxy is minus sign, so value of dy x is also the minus sign. Okay, if your dxy is positive sign, so by x is also in the positive form. Okay, so two regression coefficients always have the same sign. Okay, and according to this two regression coefficient, the sign of the correlation coefficient is depends on the two regression coefficient. Okay, so one property is the regression coefficient always lies between -1 to +1. First property. Second one is the R is equal to under root b by x into bxy. In case if your question given in the form of the find the correlation coefficient and two regression coefficient. Okay, so first one you find the b by x and bxy, two regression coefficient with the help of this formula, and after that you put both the values in this formula and get the correlation coefficient and find the value of the correlation coefficient. Okay, so here with the help of properties, we solve very easily for the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient. Next important point is that if here both the regression coefficients have the same sign. Okay, we already seen in the properties. So if your both the regression coefficients are positive sign, so your R is also have the positive sign. Got it? But if your both the regression coefficient have the negative sign, okay, that means this is also minus sign and this is also minus sign. So minus into minus, that means plus sign. Okay, so that means your R has positive sign. R is the value of R is in the positive manner. So this is the wrong process because of your coefficient of correlation is always depends on the sign of the regression coefficient. If both the regression coefficients are positive, so R is also positive, and if both the regression coefficients are negative, so the multiplier of the regression coefficient is no doubt in the positive sign. Minus into minus, that means positive. But your coefficient of correlation we write in the minus sign. Okay, so this is the property of the correlation coefficient and the regression coefficient. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.